In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Behance. This skill is so handy when you're showcasing projects and want to include video content as part of your portfolio. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, let's head over to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. Once you're on the page, look for the Share button located just below the video. When you click this button, a menu will pop up, offering you several options. What you want to do is click on the Embed option. Doing this reveals a snippet of code. This is the HTML code you'll need to make the magic happen. Although it may look a bit technical, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Next, let's copy that entire HTML snippet to your clipboard. You can do this by simply clicking the Copy button next to the code, or by manually highlighting the code, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Now, with this code in hand, it's time to head over to your Behance account. Log into your Behance account and navigate to the project where you'd like to add the video. If you're working on a new project, make sure you have it open and ready to edit. Now, within the project editing page, look for the Add Media button. This button is usually pretty prominent, helping you integrate various content into your project. Click on it, and from there, choose Embed Media. This is where your YouTube video comes into play. You should see a text box prompting you to paste your embed code right there. Paste the code you copied earlier from YouTube into this box. Once you've done that, simply click Embed. You've now successfully placed the video within your Behance project. It's always a good idea to preview your project to ensure everything looks perfect, and the video is working as expected. Just click the Preview button to see how the embedded video appears in your project. One additional tip, make sure your project settings are tailored to showcase your video the way you want. Maybe you want the video to autoplay or perhaps loop. You can adjust these settings within the embed code before you're pasting it into Behance. A little HTML tweaking can make your project even more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it. That's all it takes to embed a YouTube video into your Behance project. With this video now embedded, you're all set to create a more interactive and engaging portfolio. Adding video content can really bring your projects to life, offering viewers a more comprehensive look at your work. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and creative tips. Happy creating!